How to WhatsApp notification sound on. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel name. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on WhatsApp notification sounds. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap on Notifications. Under Message Notifications, make sure notification tone is set to your desired sound. Tap on it to select or change the tone. Under Group Notifications, do the same. Tap Notification Tone and select your preferred sound. For call notifications, under Call Notifications, ensure ringtone is set to a sound you like. And that's it. You've turned on WhatsApp notification sounds. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel name. Thanks for watching.